You know, as the old people always said, they said, if you can eat it, you can put it on your skin. And they are right, and they are wise, and they are smart. They leave us one rebellion. When you can eat and also put it in your skin, well, I bring the one and only that is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Perfect for natural glow. Banana. Right here. Banana. Peely. You. Mm. Mm-hmm. And let me finish eating. You take the peel and rub it. Fight wrinkles, acne, blemish, puffy eye, and all natural glow. Conceal, right? Use the remaining one. You wait for 15 minutes.